अखिलेश यादव ट्वीट्स दैट दरअसल ये कार नहीं पलटी, राज खुलने से सरकार पलटने से बचाई गई है. So saying that the government has been saved by this secret now will never be revealed because Vikas Dubey has been silenced. We'll never know who are these politicians who were clearly giving him patronage so that he could flourish for so long despite all these string of charges that were there against him. And Alok, also interesting has been the reaction of the senior policemen. We've been speaking to retired policemen. We spoke to Mr. A.K. Jain, who was the former DGP of UP, and he really welcomed this news and he said, I'm glad he's dead now and good that if he was trying to escape, it would have been an embarrassment and he has been killed. But at the same time saying that, we want an inquiry into who are these policemen that he was in touch with. Mr. Jain didn't hold out much hope for any politicians' names emerging, but he said we need to know who are the policemen who are in touch with him, who are helping him. And then a short while ago, we also did another phone interview with Mr. A.L. Banerjee, also former DGP of UP, who was very, he really questioned the police's account and he said this raises so many doubts and, this whole version that we're being told is very incredible. He also very importantly, Alok, pointed out about the fact that Vikas Dubey actually had some kind of surgery in his leg, that he had some, I think metal rod is how he described it, and that he could not even walk very comfortably or something like, I think you could probably tell us more about that, but questioning the fact that the police claim Vikas Dubey tried to run from them after the car overturned, snatch a gun, run some distance, then finally be surrounded by the police and then shot when he didn't surrender.
Well, yes, I'll start, Gargi, by going back to what the father of a police constable who died in that Friday bloodbath, last Friday's bloodbath in Kanpur, said yesterday to NDTV and to other reporters in Mathura. Tirath Pal is the father of Constable Jitendra, who died in that botched up raid, bloodbath, call it what you may. When Tirath Pal was asked yesterday कि भाई ये गिरफ्तार हो गए हैं विकास दुबे और अब इनको कानून से प्रोसिक्यूट किया जाएगा, आप इसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे? He said कि आप मुझे बताइए कि ये विकास दुबे की गिरफ्तारी से क्या होता है? जो पुलिस वाले थे, जो स्निच थे या फिर जो मुखबिरी कर रहे थे या फिर those people, those policemen on the ground and their seniors who ignored complaints, what about them? I mean, is an inspector and a sub-inspector the only people, are they the only people who are going to take the fallout of such a heinous crime perpetrated allegedly by Dubey and his associates? Are they the only ones who are going to take the fallout? One inspector at the ground level and one sub-inspector at the ground level. In March this year, the DSP who died, Mr. Devendra Kumar Mishra, the circle officer who led last Friday's raid and who died, he reportedly wrote a letter to the SSP of Kanpur at that point of time, Mr. Anant Dev Tiwari. It's a detailed letter, we've reported on it through the week. Just one line I want to read out from it. Towards the end of it, he said that local policemen on the ground in Chaubepur were colluding with Vikas Dubey, were his informants and were watering down criminal cases against Dubey. And then he said कि अगर आपने एक्शन नहीं लिया तो कोई बड़ी घटना होगी. क्या हुआ गार्गी? बड़ी घटना हुई, 8 लोग मर गए. Now there is an inquiry that's going on. The IG of Lucknow, Lakshmi Singh, has been doing that inquiry. And last time she was asked, she said no comments. I read in a vernacular paper that it has been established that the letter was indeed typed out in the computer of the CEO, but there is no trail of where it went. Now, isn't that very convenient?
Absolutely.
The man is dead, so he can't stand up for himself and say that I actually sent that letter to the SSP. What happens? Who is the SSP? Mr. Anand Dev Tiwari.